Hi guys, good morning from Switzerland. So today is me and my husband's 7th ROM anniversary. ROM stands for Registry of Marriage. So it's been 7 years when we had our first wedding. Yeah, first because we have a second wedding, and that is April 16, 2016. Okay, so because today is our anniversary, we're going for a train adventure ride. I'm gonna show you more later. And this is my daughter. Say hello. Hi. Okay, we will show you more later. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah, here. Now we go here. Then we go here, Pontresina. Then it goes up to Hospizzo. This is 2,253
Oh, that's too high.
meters.
So we stop there.
Yeah?
We stop there.
Yes, here we stop. And then it goes down to Tirana. This is Italia.
Oh, so you can go Italy. Okay, so while waiting for the train, I am sitting under the sun because it's very, very cold. Today is -5 degrees. We are still in St. Moritz in Engadin, Switzerland. Okay, so my husband and my daughter are there. I'm so lazy to walk around. I'm just sitting down here for sunbathing. Okay, it's too sunny. I cannot see the camera properly. Okay, so here comes my daughter again. Uh-oh. Okay, would you like to say something, Sarah? Are you excited for our train adventure ride?
Yeah,
Okay, what do you expect for this trip? What are you expecting for this
I'm
trip?
so excited.
You're so excited. So what do you think we are doing there on the train? We'll see some,
Some snacks.
eat some snacks,
And drink something
drink something. Well, looking
while looking
for a
view.
beautiful view, yeah? Oh, the train is here. Okay, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye. That's our train. And look at the view here. So sunny. Very nice weather, but still very cold. Okay, so this is our train. Just press here and the door is going to open. Sarah. Okay. Good job. Okay. Let's see how the train looks like. Oh, it looks like this. So it's just a small one, huh? A small room. Where do you want to sit, Sarah? Here. I want to sit here. Okay. Okay, so and now we are moving. Wow. Okay, at the moment we don't see anything because we are. Where are we, Sarah? Where are we?
Tunnel.
In the tunnel. Okay, so it's just black here outside. See you later. Bob run. Here they're doing the bob run. Okay. Okay, that's all we can see now. Just full of. What can you see, Sarah? Trees. And some mountains.
And you talk about talking to the friend.
Yeah, we can make a full video of this.
And what's talk?
Okay, so what do you want to say, Sarah? What can you say about this view?
I can see
A mountain, yeah. you a Swiss citizen?
No.
Yeah.
I'm half.
You're half. You're half. But you are a Swiss citizen, Sarah.
Why is that?
Oh, there is a bus over there. So.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, quite good, huh? This skaters here, huh?
Next halt, Pontresina. Next stop, Pontresina. Prossima fermata, Pontresina. L'uso della mascherina di protezione sui mezzi pubblici è obbligatorio. A message to our valued passengers. To protect yourself